Just purchased a Generac 8kW model 00865-0 standby generator, used of course, and need a schematic diagram for it.
Do you know the model of your Generac generator?
Model number 00865-0.
What have you tried so far with your Generac generator?
With propane cylinder attached, tried to start it. Solinoid needs replacing, but the board has a 69K resistor looking like it has been really warm.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not yet, that's why we need the schematic to move forward.
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. I know you only asked for a copy of the schematic, but I have uploaded the entire operator manual for you. It contains the complete instructions on the use, care and maintenance of this unit, as well as the wiring diagram, schematics and illustrated parts list. I hope this helps you. Click here to download it.
Perfect, actually beyond perfect. Thank you. I will remember your number. Promise.
Not a problem. I am very glad that you are satisfied with our service.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.